Hey there, it's Eric again, and I have something new for you from WebSuite Media. Now wait, before you skip on by, let me tell you this isn't a time-wasting webinar that is trying to sell you something at the end. As a matter of fact, we are looking for some help in perfecting the program, and today it is absolutely zero cost if you sign up and try it all out. It is going to be an absolute steal at about $300, but if you're willing to help us help you and get it up and running, you're a member forever. For free. No catch, but I'm only letting a couple people in from each state. Introducing the Open House website, where you can learn how to quickly and easily follow along in our bite-sized tutorials to set up your very own digital media marketing funnel for open houses, home listings, buyer leads, seller leads, and it is also great for property management and real estate investors. Plus, I have bonus material and templates you can read all about at the Open House website. Yep, it's true, and it's all yours at openhousewebsite.com. The obvious problem is print ads, TV, radio, and newspapers are not generally where your prime audience is looking when it comes to telling them about the great real estate opportunities you have for them. I'm going to show you and get you numbers, proof, and more success in your digital marketing without wasting money on flyers, newspapers, postcards, cold calls, door knocking. Digital media is how you're going to connect with your customers where they're looking. Additionally, you'll have a way to retarget them and send them a notification reminder that you're actually heading to the property to open it up for the day, or send them a nice message every time you get a new house to see. You see, the old guard will tell you to spend all your money on flyers, signs, and customer management software, but you don't need all that, and you don't need the cost. Let me show you how. Why not get the reach you deserve for your money? Interact and maintain the leads that are interested in your properties, and stop wasting money on print and other outdated real estate marketing platforms. You must know by now that digital advertising through the primary online channels is like oxygen to your business, and without it, you simply will not survive. Get a first look at our new Open House website and get your real estate marketing on the right path for 2019 and beyond. Come on, get in. It's free. See you there.